Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of dating and relationships, specifically focusing on the 5 huge talking mistakes men make when dating new women. So, let's get started. First up, men often make the mistake of not asking enough questions when dating a new woman. As a woman, it's crucial to feel heard and understood in your relationship. By actively listening to her responses and asking thoughtful questions, you can show that you genuinely care about her thoughts and feelings, fostering a deeper connection. Next, we have the issue of over-texting. When a man is overly enthusiastic about texting, it can sometimes come across as clingy or desperate. Instead of flooding her inbox with constant messages, try to strike a balance and give her some breathing room. Remember, communication is key in any relationship. Moving on to the I love you conversation. It's crucial to be aware of how quickly you express your love for someone new. While it's great to be open about your feelings, rushing into declarations of love can put undue pressure on the relationship before it's even had a chance to flourish. By taking your time and allowing the connection to grow organically, you can create a more relaxed and patient atmosphere conducive to a healthy relationship. The 4th mistake involves self-deprecation. While it's important not to come across as overly confident or arrogant, constantly putting yourself down can also be unattractive. Avoiding these pitfalls will help you strike a balance between humility and self-respect that many women find appealing. Lastly but not least, keep an eye out for her body language when she meets your friends or family members. She'll likely be nervous about meeting the important people in your life, so pay attention to how she interacts with them during these encounters. Her comfort level with your social circle can provide valuable insight into her feelings for you as a whole. And that's a wrap on the 5 huge talking mistakes men make when dating new women. I hope these tips help you navigate the often challenging world of dating with more confidence and clarity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.